Stop! Before you buy another hair product, answer this one question. Is your hair actually dry? Or is it crying out for protein? If your hair snaps the moment you comb it, shears more than usual, feels weak, lifeless, or stretches like a rubber band before breaking, then this video could completely change the way you care for your hair. The truth is, many people think they have a moisture problem when what they really need is protein. The good news, you don't have to spend a fortune on expensive salon treatments. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful DIY protein treatment right in your kitchen using simple, affordable ingredients. This treatment is designed to help strengthen weak strands, reduce breakage, improve your hair's elasticity, and give your hair the support it needs. If you are serious about growing stronger, healthier, fuller hair naturally, then don't skip a second of this video because the final tips could save your hair from unnecessary damage. Now, let's get started.
To begin, we need rice. Rice is an amazing ingredient for hair because it helps strengthen weak strands, smooth hair, reduce frizz, and improve manageability. Next, we'll be adding flaxseed. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Next is fenugreek. Fenugreek is rich in protein and it is an excellent for strengthening weak hair. Our final and main ingredient is onions. Onions is rich in sulfur compounds which may help improve scalp health, reduce hair loss, and support stronger, healthier hair growth. Slice the onions into small pieces, then add all the ingredients to a pot. Pour in 2 cups of water and bring everything to a boil. Allow the mixture to cook for about 30 minutes so the rice and seeds become soft and release their nutrients into the water. Hi my love, welcome to my channel. My name is Tina, and on this channel I share DIY hair treatments, natural hair growth recipes, skincare tips, and solutions to different hair concerns. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Once the mixture has finished cooking, strain out the liquid and pour it into a clean spray bottle or applicator bottle. Set it aside because we'll be using it later. Don't throw it away. It is loaded with nutrients that your hair will absolutely love. Now let's make the protein max. Transfer the cooked rice, flaxseed, fenugreek, and onions into a blender. Next, add 1 overripe banana. Banana is packed with vitamins and natural sugars that help soften the hair, improve elasticity, and leave it feeling silky. It also helps this protein treatment even more nourishing. Add a little of the reserved cooking liquid to help everything blend smoothly until you have a very smooth and creamy paste. Now strain the blended mixture thoroughly. This step is very important because it removes any lumps or particles that could get stuck in your hair during application. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, please take a second to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, especially anyone struggling with excessive hair loss, breakage, or chemical damaged hair. Your support really helps this channel. One of the reasons I love protein treatment is because they strengthen weak hair, they repair damaged strands, reduce breakage, improve elasticity, increase shine, make the hair feel fuller, and help you retain more length by preventing unnecessary breakage. They also prepare your hair for styling by making it stronger and more resilient to manipulate. So for best results, always use protein treatment in moderation and follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner to maintain a healthy protein moisture balance. Now let's finish our marks. a few tablespoons of aloe vera gel. You can also use the fresh aloe vera gel if you have it, but today I'll be using store-bought aloe vera gel. Aloe vera helps moisturize the hair, soothe the scalp, and improve softness. Next, add 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts moisture to the hair. It helps improve moisture. It helps to improve moisture retention, softness, and shine. Now for the star ingredient of today's protein treatment, we'll be needing 1 egg. I have received so many questions about using eggs in protein treatment, and yes, eggs are an excellent source of protein for temporarily strengthening damaged hair. If your hair has become weak from excessive styling, coloring, or chemical treatments, this protein treatment is definitely worth trying. Mix everything together until smooth and well combined. I honestly believe this is one of the best DIY protein treatments you can make. Once you try it, I would love to hear about your experience. So don't forget to leave a comment or tag me with your results. Now let me show you exactly how to apply it. Now let me show you exactly how to apply it. Remember the nutrient-rich rice water spray we saved earlier? That's what we use first. Always dampen your hair before applying conditioner, the protein treatment, or hair oil. Applying treatment to slightly damp hair helps them penetrate the hair shaft much more effectively than applying them dry. Spread the mixture generously throughout your hair until it's evenly damp. Then gently massage your scalp for about 5 minutes to stimulate circulation. Now it's time to apply the protein mask. Section your hair and apply the mask from your scalp all the way to the ends, making sure every strand is fully coated. Walk through each section carefully, especially if your hair is very thick or long. This treatment helps strengthen weak hair, reinforce damaged strands, temporarily fill gaps in the hair cuticle caused by heat and chemical damage. It reduces breakage, improves elasticity, smooths the hair cuticle, enhance shine, and leave your hair feeling softer, healthier, and much more easier to manage. Once your hair is fully coated, gently massage your scalp and hair for a few minutes. This helps distribute the treatment evenly and encourages better absorption. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave the treatment on for about 30 to 1 hour depending on your time. Then rinse thoroughly with cool or lukewarm water and follow with a moisturizing conditioner. Thank you so much for watching today's video all the way to the end. Your support really means the world to me, and you are the real MVP. But if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with someone who needs healthier and stronger hair. Don't forget to turn on notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new DIY hair treatment. Until next time, stay blessed, take care of your hair, and always remember, this baby girl right here is rooting for you. I'll see you in my next one, and please try this protein treatment and give me feedback in the comment section. See you in my next one. I love you and remain always blessed. Bye bye.